Come on, Grace. Yeah, we're gonna shovel. I'm gonna shovel her pee-pee spot. As if she'll use it. I told her she's got a few options. Do you hear her? Grace, you got options. It's like, get me in the house already. I don't want options, I want in the house. Well, that was fun and lasted 5 minutes. Maybe not even 5 minutes. Okay, took 2 minutes. Gracie, what do you think out there? Is it cold? She says it's cold and she's got fur. Look at me, I'm furless. I even shaved my legs. Seriously, it's the kind of snow that is light and fluffy. It's not good snowman snow. It's getting dark. You can't really see much. There's the porch. How you fellas doing? The frosty frogs. Yeah, think it's about over. That's where I cleared Gracie's the spot she won't be using.